These products that you see here were sourced out by ChatGPT from my free account on ChatGPT. So how does this work? I asked for it to look for specials and products that are on sale for me, and then it sourced out these, and I wanted groceries in particular, and then it got me the other deals as well. Over and above it getting those images that you saw, it also does comparison for you, and then it also gives you the best overall deal for the day, and it summarizes which one is the best and how you should be shopping, etc., etc. So how do you go about getting ChatGPT to help you with your shopping? You're going to open a new chat on ChatGPT. You're going to click on the plus button, and then you're going to ask for shopping research. This is where you're going to then put in what you want. So say we want the best, cheapest laptop in South Africa, but that's new. And then if you have the specific of your laptop, add it on there so that it starts looking for it for you. Best laptop. And then you press the enter button, and then it starts shopping around for the best, whatever it is that you want to look for in South Africa. And then it will start asking you questions of whatever it is that you're looking for. So what is your budget range? How much are you wanting to spend? I don't want to spend more than 6 grand. And then I click continue. Primary, what do you want to use this laptop for? Web, email, office work, creative work, video calls. Then you pick whichever one that you want to use it for. How big should it be? 3-inch, 14. Then you make your choices. And then battery life, short trips, all day use, extended travels, mostly plugged in, all day use. And then it will then give you a quick feedback on the best option. So let's preview and rate. I said I want 6,000 a loss. Now it got me a 10 grand. I'm not interested in this one. What is it that I don't like about it? The price, it's too expensive. And then here's one for 13 grand. I don't like that one either, the price. And then you can do this the whole time. There's a pro line. It's available at Hi-Fi Corp and others. And then if you're interested, you say you like to see that one. And then you do these choices until you get the final products given to you. So you could skip if you don't like, or if you're not interested, you pick the not interested and it'll ask you why. This one, we want to see more. We want to see more. And there's a HP notebook. Notebook is a notebook. And it looks like that. It's at Hi-Fi Corp. And then I want to see more of that. And then you pick your choices up until you find what works for you. What I do like, it will then summarize for you to say, I can see you have a tight budget, Za. This is the one that stands out for me. It's available at Tech Market. I've bought from them before, and it's 5,499. It's a Lenovo ThinkPad. It's a 8 gig RAM, 256 gigabytes, and it's strongest. And then it gives me a summary of why does it suggest this one? Why does Mama AI suggest that one? And then there's more that you could browse through until you find something that you like. There's also an Apple MacBook Air at Tech Market, and then you could, of course, do your proper research and have a look. And you can even go to Tech Market. When you click on the actual product, it will take you to the website of the product, and then you can have a look and see what is it, how does it look like, and how does it feel like, and what are the specs, and what is it that you would like more of. You have seen how to go and look at each product as ChatGPT gives you a summary of the product. At the bottom of the report, you then view all of the products that you liked and all of the products that you were not interested in. You click to select and view products, and then you can have a look at a summary of all of the products that he has sourced out for you. He then goes over and above and picks other things that he thinks you might be interested in. But for me, this is such a very useful tool, especially when you are shopping and you're shopping on a budget and you don't have a lot of time. I actually love this functionality. I think it's going to help me a lot. I don't know about you. Do you think this functionality is something that you're going to be using? I love it. Share the video and like the video. And if you would like to design with a laptop, maybe you want to design a game, you're in Africa and you want to design a game, go and watch this video that I've created for you that helps you design a game using Canva. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you with our next video.